Okay, we're looking at the full hopper filled with water for the tres leche, the white milk depositing through a dripless valve with a sprinkle head on it. We have the stainless steel hopper. We have the stainless steel peak impeller pump. The peak impellers have 14 teeth, which helps accuracy and drip control. Our hose assembly, we have our dripless valve, and then here is the visual of the exit, the sprinkler head exit, okay? So now, right now we're set up to deposit 250 milliliters of liquid. And here's the first cycle. So that's 250 milliliters. Which takes 5 seconds. We can also run on continuous cycling, where you hold the trigger switch and it will sprinkle until you let go. So there's no quantity control here, there's just visual accuracy. You can also slow down the speed if necessary. This is 3/4 speed instead of full speed.